We'll guide you through how to understand what Claude Cowork is all about. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and search for Claude Cowork. You'll notice it's a platform designed to enhance collaboration and productivity for teams. Once on the homepage, you'll see various features like project management tools and communication channels that are integrated to streamline your workflow. The main idea here is to provide a seamless experience where you and your team can collaborate on projects, share files, and engage in real-time communication. Now, if you're thinking about using Claude Cowork, you'll want to start by signing up for an account. Look for the Sign Up button on the top right of the page. Enter the necessary information such as your email and create a secure password. Once your account is set up, you can start by creating a new workspace. This is essentially your team's digital office, where all the collaboration happens. You can add team members by sending them an invitation through their email. The platform allows you to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress, making it easier to manage your projects effectively. One of the standout features is the integration with popular tools like Google Drive and Slack, which helps keep everything in one place. You can easily import your files and documents, making the transition smooth. There's also a built-in chat feature that lets you communicate with your team without leaving the platform. This saves time and keeps all project-related conversations in one place. Remember, the key benefit of Claude Cowork is its ability to centralize all your collaborative efforts, which ultimately boosts productivity. It's a great tool for teams looking to improve their workflow and communication. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.